2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, fog lights, compass, heated front seats, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.